Hello traders, so in today's video I'm going to show you both of our trades, the Euro USD and the Euro Yen trades. So let's start first off with the Euro USD. Right here in the terminal we have the Euro USD trade. They are both winning trades, but by not so many pips. So let's get started. The Euro USD trade was a sell order. Now this trade was on the 7th of this month, October. So right here. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So I'm going to explain to you. This green line right here was the entry price. Right here. The gold line was the take profit. And the red line was the stop loss. So why did we place this trade? Let's put Ichimoku on the chart. Okay. Here, as you can clearly see, this was a pending order. Indecision candle right here at the top of the Kumo cloud. When the Kumo cloud is flat like this is a strong resistance zone. Okay, so let's put off Ichimoku off the chart. Delete. Now, put a pending order like 1 or 2 pips below this week. And after that, we place the take profit. The take profit would have been 44 pips. Okay. After the market went in profit, up until here like 35 pips, we moved the stop loss to break even. Now, the market only needed like 7 pips to reach our take profit. Of course it didn't do that, it went back, it took us out of the trade by hitting our break even, and we only won 1 pip out of this trade. Again, this stuff happens in Forex. Now, let's go to the Euro Yen pair. Euro Yen pair on the daily time frame. So this trade was placed on the 06th of this month, October. This is the daily time frame. One candle represents 1 day. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So the trade, this was a market order. So the trade started from right here, from this candle right here. Let me take off Ichimoku off the chart. So the green line again, the price where we have entered. The gold line, this one right here, the take profit. The red line, this is the stop loss when we have moved it in profit. Now, this is a very unfortunate trade, again, but I'm going to show you. So we have put the take profit for like almost 75 pips. The market moved in profit 70 pips. We only needed like 2-3 pips to hit our take profit. So we have moved the stop loss in profit like 25 pips. Just like that. Yes, 25 pips. Again, the market came back up against us and it took us out of the trade. Now, I'm going to explain to you why we took this trade. Let's insert Ichimoku on the chart. My mistake. Insert indicators, Ichimoku. Now, again, as you can clearly see, we have a fractal here. From here to here. So this is a 40 pip, almost 40 pips resistance zone, okay? So what do you do when you see a resistance zone? Of course, this is going to be a medium resistance zone. It isn't going to be a very strong resistance zone. But what do you see when you do a zone like this? When you see a zone like this, you wait for an indecision candle. And we have seen 2 indecision candles right here. Put a market order, sell. Again, it didn't reach our take profit, but this happens. We are going to come back. We are going to make back those pips that we have lost in the first trade of the month, so that it can be another positive month for our members at Forex We Are. So this is the end of the video. I hope you understand. If you have any questions, leave us the questions in the comment box below. I'm going to put in the description box our website and our Twitter account. So that's the video for today. See you tomorrow in the next one.